Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing the BreezeBox air conditioner. So as you can see, we have it here on Amazon, and as you can see right off the bat, I'm just going to say this product is a scam. Since it claims to cool an entire room, right here, rapid cooling, compact and stylish, true energy saving, 3-speed settings, and a lot more. So basically, a small device like this is impossible for it to cool an entire room, just because by the size of it. Since it is physically impossible to output that much power just by this small of a device. So as you can see, if you scroll down here, there are 0 reviews here on Amazon. And as you can see, if you look at the pictures here, these are just edited photos right here. As you can see, this is very clearly edited. And if you go right here into malware tips, they also go over that this product is a scam. So as you can see, big BreezeBox, big claims, cools rooms up to 40 square meters under 3 minutes, which is basically impossible. Costs 98% less to run the standard AC. Uses vented cooling technology to chill the air, and a lot more. So beware the low price. The unit starts at $70, which is not that low of a price to begin with. So as you can see, think before you buy it. So please do not buy this in the hopes of making your entire room being cool, since it is basically impossible. And yeah, buy at your own risk. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.